John Hannaway was elected President of Chartered Accountants Ireland at the Institute's AGM in May 2011. Mr. Hannaway, a partner with PricewaterhouseCoopers in Belfast, becomes the 84th President of the Institute. Chartered accountants were not immune from criticism in the fallout from the financial crisis, and repairing the Chartered Accountant brand is a key objective in the strategic plan.
Oh, there's absolutely no question that the value of our brand is incalculable. I've heard members in industry describe it as their insurance policy, so enhancing the value of the brand is absolutely key. Now, there's no doubt that it has been damaged of late, particularly as a result of the world crisis in finance. I say world because it is a world phenomenon, not an Irish issue. I mean, for example, in the 5 years prior to 2008, there were only 11 bank failures in the US. In 2009, that rose to a staggering 140. And in the following year, 2010, there were a further 139 crashes. In the same year that 53% of US banks failed the stress tests, whilst only 8% of EU banks had the same issues. So this is a worldwide issue. Now, that said, I'm not saying that there wasn't an Irish dimension to it. Clearly there was, and we had particular issues in at least one bank. So maintaining and repairing the brand is absolutely essential, but we shouldn't focus too much on the negatives, of which doubtless there are some. We should really concentrate on the many positives that our brand, that our profession brings to our economy and to our local communities. We are the Institute of Chartered Accountants. We're not the Institute of Chartered Auditors, and certainly not the Institute of Chartered Auditors of certain banks. So accountancy is a key driver of value to our profession, and one of the things that I'd like to do during my year of President is to show the real value of that brand.
Mr. Hannaway went on to describe the ways in which chartered accountants add value and bring vision.
6 years ago, when I was chairman of the Ulster Society of Chartered Accountants, I took as my theme that chartered accountancy was a profession that adds value and that brings vision. That was true then, it is absolutely true today. There is value in everything we do, from the audit, which is often criticised as being a compliance product, sometimes by indeed our own clients. In the audit, it's an absolute fantastic opportunity, a window into our clients' businesses. That is a value-added product, as is many of the other services that we bring. So as I say, ours is a profession that really adds value, and it's forward-looking. There's a forward-looking perspective. It's one that brings vision, and that's a vision that I, as President, hope to articulate clearly to our members and to the general public in the year ahead.
You can read a report of Accountancy Ireland's interview with John Hannaway in your June copy of Accountancy Ireland. And don't forget to download our June podcast, which is available in the iTunes Music Store and from www.accountancyireland.ie.